Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making Korean Corndogs. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that we'll be needing for today's recipe. So let's start cooking. Okay, first we're gonna add all the dry ingredients: flour, poof, baking powder, poof, salt. Salt is gonna help activate all the ingredients aside from flavor. And let's add some white sugar. Now we're just gonna give it a little bit of mix. Mix all the dry ingredients. We're gonna add milk. Now gonna add the eggs. And the oil to soften the batter and to give it a little bit of moisture. And after we mix that thing, the liquid ingredients, we're just gonna pour it just gonna add it to the dry ingredients and slowly mix it. Alright. This aside. Mix this until the batter is smooth, but let's not overmix this because we don't want to have a rubbery batter. What? Alright. Now that we have already mixed the batter, we're just gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the liquid ingredients absorb it to the flour, and so that we will have a nice and soft, batter.
Batter.
And let the baking powder also activate. Okay, so let's set this aside. Okay, so while waiting for the batter to rest, we're gonna prepare the other ingredients. We're gonna prepare the hot dog. What we're using right now is chicken hot dog, and we have some cheese. The cheese that we're using is like, processed, easy to melt cheese, but it's much more preferred to use mozzarella if you have it. Okay. I prefer mozzarella, but as for now guys, we're cooking on a budget, so okay. Now here it is. We're just gonna cut this into half. Alright. Now it's time to skewer the hot dog and the cheese. First, put in the hot dog slowly. We're using chopsticks guys because it's much more. Okay guys, so just a heads up, because we have some technical difficulties during the process of skewing the cheese. When using this kind of cheese like processed Eden or something, make sure like you use a very thin skewer, and just I don't want to use the word penetrate, but well, what else can we do? Let's just not use the word penetrate, but just gently push it, stick it, because usually when you stick it, it will give some little bit of cracks like this.
Sides.
So there's a tendency that your cheese might not hold on and it will break. Okay? So we prefer use mozzarella cheese. Okay, so now we already transferred our batter has already rested for 10 to 15 minutes. So we just transfer it into a glass so that we'll just dip the hot dog here and then dip it in the breadcrumbs, coat it in breadcrumbs afterwards. So right now, what we'll do is we'll just heat up the pan. Just gonna put some oil here. Alright. That's it. Now we're just gonna wait till the oil heats up and then we'll start cooking. Okay, right now, while we are waiting for the oil to heat up, we'll start coating the hot dogs into the batter and coat it with breadcrumbs. What it's gonna do is just gonna dip it. Just give it a nice swirl. Just coat it in breadcrumbs. Okay guys, so we are now attempting to cook we're now attempting to cook our first corn dog. So let's hope for the best. We'll just check the temperature of the oil. So we're looking for about 177 degrees Celsius. And also another way to test if your oil is ready, if the oil is hot enough, ready, is to dip a bamboo skewer in the pan. And as you can see, this means the oil is already ready. So we're not going to cook this. We'll see how it goes. Alright, baby. If you have any tips guys on how to cook a corn dog, so please comment down below and please be kind, please. There's something. Alright. I see. Crispy. Not bad, not bad, that's fun. That's good. Hold on. Okay, so now while we are cooling the corn dogs, we will prepare the sauce for the corn dogs. Okay, let's prepare some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Mayo. All-time favorite hot sauce, guys. Duck. Spicy chicken hot sauce. Okay. So, just a few drops. Depends on your
Tolerance.
heat tolerance. Okay, so a little bit more the better. Okay. Want more?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We will just give it a mix. Always a given. Ketchup. Del Monte.
Dito na ako.
Okay. Right.
Nani mo dapat guys, basta mag-cameraman mo dapat helpful gyapon mo sa kitchen.
Need an extra hand? Yes. Yes, please. Yes, please. Alright.
Alright.
Alright. So now we're ready to play. Just gonna assemble this. Just very simple. Okay. Take this. Let's start to use okay. Mix up. Now, just gonna lay it off with some nori flakes. Make it look good. So this is our first attempt of Korean corndogs. Let's try it now. So, guys, let's check.
Okay pa ta, chef?
All right. Okay, not bad for our first attempt on making Korean corn dogs. So I think this one can be improvised and develop it to take it to the next level. So we'll see. That's all for today, folks. That's our first attempt for our Korean corn dogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification down below. And please place your comments on the comment section. And thank you very much. See you on the next episode.